Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your INFINIX Hot 6 Ti. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is going outside of the screen, it's not properly aligned and it's covering either the sides or the edges of your phone, then it might be a sign that this is the reason why you have ghost touches appearing on your device. Now for the case, if it's covering even a tiny part of the bezels right here or right here at the bottom, then that can also cause the ghost touches, and you definitely do not want that. So if that's the case, then remove it. And now what you guys can do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. So to remove the screen, all you need is a microfiber cloth. Now you guys can use it to remove the debris, the moisture, and of course the fingerprints. So give your phone a couple of swipes, 3 or 4 swipes are definitely enough. And after that, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So we're gonna first restart it, so hold the power button until you see the screen go black. So keep on holding it now. Now the screen is black and wait for the logo to appear. Now let go and wait for your phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the device restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over into the settings and check for software updates. So open up settings, go to my phone right up top, and after going to my phone, go and click on the XOS right up top here. Now my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version because older versions can contain a lot of glitches and they're mostly fixed in the newer versions. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.